Hi, and welcome into this 2-week diet review. What is the 2-week diet? The 2-week diet is a dietary system to lose weight and eliminate more body fat as fast as possible. It's based on medical science, rational thoughts, and real-life proven results. Quite simply, the 2-week diet gives you a time-tested and proven blueprint for rapid fat loss. It's not one of those diets that works for some but not others. It's based on the science involved with the human body and how different nutrients affect our hormones, resulting in either weight loss or weight gain. How the system works. The 2-week diet is divided into several distinct parts. The diet. It consists of 2 phases, each phase being 1 week long. It will give you all the information on how you can lose up to 1 pound of body fat or more per day simply by the foods you eat and don't eat. You'll know exactly what to eat, how much, and when to eat it. You'll discover which foods you must avoid at all costs if you want to become thin. You'll get a list of the most delicious and also affordable fat-burning foods that you can find in any supermarket. You'll learn how to calculate body fat and learn how much protein you need every day to ensure that you are burning fat and maintaining lean body mass. You'll learn the secret method of maintaining your ideal body weight forever. The workouts. The 2-week diet workouts are designed to burn fat and get you into great shape in about 20 minutes just a few times each week. While you can lose weight quickly on the diet alone, a quality workout like this one in the 2-week diet can double your fat loss results. The 2-week diet workout is broken down into 2 separate workouts. One is for those who would rather work out at their local gym, and the other is a home workout using just your body weight and the one single piece of equipment. Motivation and mindset. The motivation report will show you how to focus your energy on achieving your goals. There are really some great tips, tricks, and secrets to losing weight and keeping the weight off. The 2-week diet contains, of course, the launch handbook that is far more than just an introduction. It gives you a complete look at the science behind gaining and losing weight so you can finally follow straightforward, precise steps to burn away stubborn body fat. All the insider secrets behind effective weight loss. The process behind gaining fat in the first place so you can prevent its return. Thanks for watching this video, and check out the website below and the link description to get some more information or maybe even pick up your own copy. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.